everybody. So welcome to the Musical Journey series. This one is about Australia. It is basically a game board that is done on Google Slides Interactive. So I will give you a little tour here. So students would roll this die. Now if you are in edit mode, it won't automatically hyperlink. You just click to roll the die and then click to stop, and you would land on 2. So you would go 1, 2, click on the slide. So students would press this, and there's all these dance moves, so it's basically a movement, music and movement. Then when they click on the back side, it brings them to the answer. What was your favorite dance move and why? They click this to go back to the original slide, and there is an X in the corner, which brings you back to the main board. Then they would roll the die again, go and do another task. They go to this one. They would click on the back side, and the answer is the didgeridoo. They would click on the video.
Now let's try one of my favorite rhythms, which is ah 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 ah.
So there's all different slides that have to do with sailing around. And then as they sail around, there are different activities to do based on the geography. Here, this is going to bring them to the Sydney Opera House with a little video about that. So there's a video about Tasmania, Papua New Guinea, and basically they make it all the way around the game board. Actually meant to be played as a class. You can put it up, project it onto your smart board, or just use it on a class computer. If they do it as a class, you can simply just do the clicking for them or have them take turns rolling the die. Or at the end of the slides, there is a printable game board in black and white and printable kangaroos. There's also colored if you want to print them in color. There's also other cute Australian type of little characters. So what you could do is give each student their own board, let them choose their pawn and have the pawn move around the board as you go through it on your own computer or interactive smart board. Totally up to you. There are 20 tasks and there are 20 answers to those tasks, and when they get to the end, they'll land on the "you made it." There are also some really cute animation, and the animation starts when they click. And they can also play the national anthem of Australia right from here. The boomerang will spin, spin again, go out, come back in like a boomerang. The kangaroo will hop. So thank you for checking out the musical journey through Australia, the traditional board game but interactive. There's lots of different tasks to do as a class, small group, or individually. Notes, places, instruments includes 20 different tasks and answers, and it comes with a printable board with kangaroo pawns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Please leave a review of this product on my TeachBT page.